Good morning, everybody. Hugo with Renovation here, and I'm here today to give you guys a special insight on a beautiful new high-end kitchen that we just completed, featuring multiple amenities, including a new beautiful French door leading to the backyard that we created in this open space. Previously, this space used to be an enclosed kitchen and dining room space. We framed a new PSL beam in order to create an open concept space between the two. But notice the beautiful creation of the herringbone hardwood flooring throughout the space that we stained ourselves. There's a clear-cut transition between the herringbone flooring over to the side-to-side planking that we see over here on this side. We have a beautiful large format island located in the center to provide a good flow of the space between the appliances to the sink. This area of the kitchen features our island and our base countertops and backsplash, all fabricated from natural stone. Our kitchen island sink, 2 dishwashers located in this kitchen, one for the main sink and one for the island. This kitchen features Gaggenau appliances with beautiful brushed gold plumbing fixtures to give an authentic look to this kitchen. There's 2 isolated sinks in this kitchen, one main kitchen sink and one beverage sink in the island. As you'll notice, it has beautiful brushed gold plumbing fixtures, air gap, and a hot water dispenser here with fully filtered water that be running through it. Ice maker in the island, as well as beverage fridge. This kitchen in specific features a wide array of different amenities and appliances. One of my favorite in specific is these 3-paneled true fridges, including 1 refrigerator, 1 freezer, and this center wine fridge. This has been Hugo with Renovation. Pleasure today to give you guys a special insight into our new project here. If you're out there looking to get started in your process for a custom kitchen like this one and not sure where to start, feel free to reach out. Looking forward to it.